The Japanese exploration Hayabusa 2 has at long last achieved its goal, a rough little square named Asteroid Ryugu, formerly known as Asteroid 162,173, following a 42-month travel through space. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA) affirmed the landing of the shuttle in a declaration prior this week. Somewhere in the range of 200 million miles from Earth, the space test will determine tiny rock with a progression of tests. Amid its 18-month mission sending 3 small rovers to the surface. Before abandoning, it will even shoot another hole into the surface, get together a portion of the material ousted, and after that arrival to Earth with the samples on board. The estimated cost of the Hayabusa 2 mission is 16.4 billion yen, $150 million, according to JAXA. It's in fact identified a near-Earth question as it circles in a curved way from Mars to Earth and back once more. There's zero chance it will strike the Earth, be that as it may, at any rate not in the following couple of hundred years. The shuttle utilized its thrusters to move into a steady circle inside 12 miles of Ryugu, where it started to test the space rock for whatever remains of its gold. Ryugu, strewn with stones, generally precious stone formed, and highlights a tropical edge. As Earth sky calls attention to it's comparable in appearance to the space rock Bennu that the NASA OSIRIS-REx mission will experience in 2020. Mobile Asteroid Surface Scout 3 are from Japan, called Minerva II, and one is from Germany, called Masker 1, for Mobile Asteroid Surface Scout. These aren't the traditional wanderers you're comfortable with, similar to the ones taking selfies on Mars. Since the half-far-reaching Ryugu has low gravity, the little landers have just the heaviness of a drop of water here on Earth. So the landers don't have wheels instead. The small foot-wide boxes have internal offset weights that allow them to flop across the surface with short hops. Hayabusa 2 will also get to blow some stuff up while it's there. Using a space cannon, the probe will blast the copper projectile at the surface to create a landing crater and expose material from beneath the surface. During a brief touch-and-go landing on the surface, the probe will scoop up some of the debris and store it for the return voyage. In 2020, the probe will drop the samples in a saucer-shaped re-entry capsule which will land via parachute in Australia.